It's good to be back and it's good to do this. So, without further ado, the theme of today's vlog is chilling out. So, I'm looking like a mess right now. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. It's 29th of December, and in a few hours, I'm leaving for Alibag. So, good night. Basically, my prelims are starting from 10th of January, and I was very exhausted and really stressed out about the prelims. So I took a vacation. I basically did two things to calm myself down: a traveling vacation and a party. Yeah. So because through this vacation phase, now I've redeemed myself of the 3 month exhaustion before that vacation, and I have channeled power for the next 3 months till my boards are over. So I am right now in the peak of my productivity. I've just arrived in the hotel and it's super cool out here. This is the gallery, and yeah, it's good silhouette picture, yeah. And now mostly we are going to go to the beach. So let's go to the beach. I'm like in a खूप गोवन स्टाईल कपडे घातलेत because I'm excited. असं chill mood मध्ये जाऊया. Vacation mode on. This is me going to the beach. Sheds.
हो म्हणाले तर मला.
हे व्लॉगला आहे म्हणा. Oh my god. Oh my god. This beach. Wow. Wow. So dope.
मजा येते. कमाल करतोय आम्ही सगळे. दिवसांनी आपल्याला असा बीच अनुभवायला मिळाला आहे. एन्जॉय.
Post COVID असा खूप.
येस येस.
Why did I decide to go for a vacation? Let me get a little nerdy here. The part of our brain, हमारे ब्रेन का जो पार्ट टाइम को प्रोसेस करता है, जो सिस्टम टाइम को प्रोसेस करती है, वही सिस्टम स्पेस यानी जगह को प्रोसेस करती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, while looking back at the corona, by the COVID period, टाइम वेंट इन अ फ्लैश. बहुत जल्दी से टाइम गुजरा है. पर द फर्स्ट टाइम यू वेंट आउटसाइड योर हाउस, टाइम वॉज स्पेंट स्लोली बिकॉज हमारा ब्रेन तभी स्पेस को प्रोसेस करने में लगा रहता है और हमारा ब्रेन में वो टाइम का फंक्शन स्लो हो जाता है. सो वेकेशंस आर इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज योर ब्रेन functions on processing the space around you and the time is slowed down. That's why we like vacations. Or this was a way to just forget the fast working routine of mine and how the world was here in Mumbai, and I went to Alibag. This is a very beautiful beach. I am in some great time here and like my family friends are there. It's beautiful. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं. आता आम्ही चाललो आहोत. मी स्प्राईट पीत खांद्याला जॉर्डन लावून. So चष्मा. Why the hell am I trying to make this vlog like Ranveer Alabadi? I don't know, but I love that dude. Yeah. Cheers. Vacation में when you are relaxing, after a certain period of time, energy channel होने लगती है. You are getting energized not just for the moment, but for also the distant future. Or the best thing about this trip was that अलीबाग के beaches इतने beautiful थे that it is something you don't get to see in Thane anymore. And beaches तो है ही, but the nature, how the local people have conserved their locality is really nice. और it was like a cheap Goa in Alibag. और वहाँ के गलेरिया were really nice. If there are any mistakes, please forgive me, but I'm going to do something fanboyish for this montage.
पिघले नीलम सा बहता हुआ ये समा, नीली नीली सी खामोशियां, न कहीं है जमीन न कहीं आसमां, सरसराती हुई टहनियां पत्तियां कह रही हैं कि बस एक तुम हो यहां। सिर्फ मैं हूं, मेरी सांसें हैं और मेरी धड़कनें। ऐसी गहराइयां, ऐसी तन्हाइयां, और मैं, सिर्फ मैं। अपने होने पे मुझको यकीन आ गया।
I'm crazy. I go crazy when I'm with friends. That I can be sure that that's also the case with you. So, the best part about this 3-day vacation was that I got to spend almost a day. We did a night out. So it was like half a day, but I got to spend it with my friends, and we had some great talks that night, which I didn't shoot because then it won't have its purity in it. We talked about weird things. For 15-year-olds, it were weird things. Things like what do we see ourselves as in 5 years? What do we want to achieve spiritually at the end of this year, of the new year? And we went crazy. It was like around 2 o'clock. We were just doing weird stuff. We were dancing around, we were eating shawarma, we were drinking coke, we were trying to make coffee, we were playing games. And after a while, when everything calmed down at around 3 o'clock, we were talking about the stuff I mentioned before. And the best part about that was, in a way, we actually bonded. We didn't knew this. I especially did not know this calm and deep person which was hidden in every one of them. And I'm thankful that I was given the opportunity to spend the 31st with them, and I love you guys. Yeah, of course you're watching this.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
हमी तो है तुम्हारे ख्याल, तभी तो है तुम्हारे पास। ना छोड़ो कभी हमारा साथ, कभी ना कभी तो नजर आ। तेरे नाम तेरे नाम तेरे नाम तेरे बाबा तेरे नाम तेरे बाबा तेरे नाम तेरे नाम
This year is going to be really great. Everyone who is watching, anyone you know, we are going to have a really great year. You will have great movies, you will have great books to read, you will have a great spiritual journey this year, and you will achieve everything you want with the hard work you yourself do. And I wish you all to have a really nice year this year and smash the all negativity in its face, and let's tackle corona. Yeah, we have to. And best of luck.
तेरे नाम